Hi, my name is Kacper, I am an engineer at mtstechnik, and in this video I will present you our Coilover suspension kit designed for cars based on the modernized Chrysler LX platform. On the front, we've got threaded shock absorbers finished in a gold zinc plating featuring the hexacoil adjustment nut. Hexacoils, thanks to the use of a small clamping screw, significantly enhances the ease of height adjustment. Springs are manufactured by a German company eibach. On the front, we've got linear springs. On the rear, we've got progressive springs to ensure maximum comfort and excellent driving characteristic. Moreover, the front axle kit also includes helper springs that provide preload for the front mainspring. Rear axle is equipped with two sport shock absorbers with a shortened stroke, with increased dampening force compared to the original shock absorbers. They are tailored for lowered suspensions. Moreover, our kit also includes dedicated bump stops and dust covers, as well as black anodized aluminum height adjusters for the rear axle. Besides the kit itself, in a box you will also get an adjustment wrench, two MTSTechnik stickers, and any necessary documentation. Thanks for watching.